Hello guys, welcome to the series of tutorial on React. The first step to use React is to create a React application. The syntax for creating a React application is npx create react app, and you need to mention the React application name whichever you want to add for your application. One thing you have to note that while creating a React application, the application name which you are providing here should not contain any capital letters because React application won't allow any capital letters in the application name. If any capital letters present in this application name, it won't be able to create a new project. To create React application, open your code editor and navigate to the folder where you want to create a React application. For in this example, I have a folder by name React app in which I want to create an application. Once you navigate to that folder, open the command prompt or the terminal. Here type the code npx create -react -app and then third party is your name to this React application. For this project, I will name this one as React project. Then press enter. Once you press enter, all the necessary files and libraries needed for React application will be installed in this folder. Once you get this message, happy hacking, you can observe a project folder has been created in the folder where you wanted to create an application. So now you are good to use this React application. Currently we are in this application as you can see here in the terminal. Let's go to the application whichever is created just now by using the command cd react project, press enter. Now we are in this project. Now let's run this project to preview this one and check whether it's working fine or not. To run the project, you can use the command npm start, then press enter. Now the application is compiling and trying to run in the development server. You can observe that the application is successfully running in our browser. The default React animation is being displayed on the web page. This confirms that our application is running successfully in the browser or in the local host. To check from where this animation is appearing, open your project, open this source folder and go to app.js file. Here you can observe there is a header tag. Within this header tag, we have code for logo and other links and other content as well. This app.js file is the main file of this application and it is the entry point of the application. Going forward, whatever the components you will be creating, all those components you will be importing to this app.js file. For instance, if you want to change this welcome animation, you can remove this header content from this component and here you can add your content. For this example, I am adding as hello React. Save this one and go back to browser to preview. You can observe the content added by us is being displayed in the web page. In the upcoming videos, we'll be using this app.js file in almost every video or example. So that's it guys for this video. Now your React environment is ready and in the next videos we'll be learning different real-time scenarios and examples using React. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.